Hey guys, apologies for basically no videos on this channel for a very long time. I did actually get this thing. You can see in the background here, this is my new 3D printer. It's an Ender 3 Pro. Now I did record an unboxing and a building video, however, the unboxing video when I copied it to my laptop for some reason corrupted. I've been trying for the past 2 weeks to try and get it back over the Christmas period. But every piece of software that I've tried to sort of restore the video hasn't been able to do it. Even some of the paid ones, the preview that it gave me was still messed up. So something went really wrong there. I think I still have the construction video, so I'll be putting that up. But you can see there, that's my new one, the Ender 3 Pro, sitting right next to the Startt. The Startt, as you can see, is now powered off. I'm going to be putting that into storage as a backup 3D printer, just in case I need to print anything off for the Ender 3. What I am going to be doing, though, as you can see on the Ender 3 there, I don't know if you can see slightly on the side there, I've put a BL Touch onto there. It's slightly off, though. I need to adjust that down a little bit. So I'll be going through putting the BL Touch on there and flashing the firmware and everything, so there'll be videos on that. I'll also be installing a new board into it. So this is the MKS Gen L from MakerBase. So I'll be putting that in there. Because that doesn't have a USB, doesn't have an SD card slot, it only has a USB port on the edge there, you can see. I have to put this thing on. This one has an SD card slot on there, so I'll be doing that. So those are some videos that will be coming up with the 3D printer. I'll be just doing some minor tweaks and upgrades to that, and we'll be flashing firmware. I think I've got an Arduino Uno somewhere. I've got new filament. I've been printing out loads of stuff. Let me show you. I've been printing out stuff for Dungeons and Dragons. So this is the top of a DM screen with initiative trackers on the back. So there's a lot of things coming up, so I'll be doing that on this channel for a little while. There'll be a few things. There's some projects that I'm working on over here. You can see there's a wooden box there that I'm going to use to put some foam in to hold some miniatures. I'll be sanding that down, staining it, making that look nice. So yeah, there will be some sort of technology bits coming up. I'll probably be doing a couple of game reviews as well. I've got a couple of games that I want to play and leave my thoughts on. I might start blogging again in the new year, so I've got a few things for New Year's resolutions that I want to get done. So yeah, apologies for the lack of unboxing video of this printer. I did record one, but it did corrupt, which is really annoying. No one was more annoyed than I was when I couldn't recover it, but never mind. Hopefully next 3D printer I buy, I'll make sure that I get the proper unboxing. So I'll put the construction video up, so the build. There's two versions. There's going to be the regular version, which is the full-length video in real time of me building this thing. And there's also going to be the time-lapse version, which is the quick one. If you want to see the full-length version, it's going to be an unlisted video, but the link will be in the description of the time-lapse. Okay, so I'm going to upload the whole video first, make that unlisted, then I'll upload the time-lapse and I'll put a link to the full-length video in the description of the time-lapse video, if that makes sense. And then I'll do bed leveling and stuff like that. And then we'll be going through for upgrading this thing. That thing's going to take quite a while to upgrade, because I'm gutting parts of it and then just installing new stuff. So yeah, apologies for the lack of videos. Sorry about the unboxing video that I really wanted to get up for this. Yeah, I'm quite annoyed about it. But there'll be some stuff coming up. There'll be some Dungeons and Dragons stuff as well. But thanks very much for sticking around on this channel. I promise there will be some tech stuff coming up soon, especially with this new printer. And until the next time to the next video, catch you later. Bye-bye. I keep looking at myself instead of at the camera, so I'm shifting my eyes. I look like a dodgy guy. Alright, bye-bye for real this time. Bye-bye.